today we have here the Autoholic Garage GR Yaris, and we did a sticker delete on. Coming out of the factory, the roof of the GR Yaris is wrapped in carbon fiber sticker, but underneath it is 100% real forged carbon. We carefully remove the protective sticker from the roof and expose the forged carbon underneath. We went the extra mile by cleaning the roof thoroughly and then wet sanding it. This makes the surface perfect before we give it a new layer of protection using our own Autozkin Paint Protection Film. If you want to do the same with your GR Yaris, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.